Good morning and welcome and happy Halloween. And this is a flip through of my Red Gothic Lap Book, and I've used journaling kit from Tina at Shabbydabbydoodah, and I've used another kit from Junk with Steph, and I'll just give you an idea of the size. So we're looking at just over 9 inches and just under 7 inches, and it's approximately 2 inches on the front side. So we've used this lovely lace here and lots of bling and a bit of stitching. So it opens out at the front side and at the back side. So we'll start at the front, and here we go. It's made of envelopes. So here's our first envelope with 2 journaling cards inside from the dreaded red kit from Shabbydabbydoodah, and this is also some of the kit, and then backed this envelope with some vintage music paper. This lovely image here, Mr. Raven on there, and then this envelope here, which has a couple of pieces of journaling cards inside, bit of bling, bit of ribbon, and a little bit of bling on that one as well. So they pop inside there. And this is also, this has also been backed with the dreaded red kit. So this is a notebook, a trifold notebook that I made also on video, so you can pop over and have a look at that if you want to. The idea was just to create some extra journaling space. So there's lots of cards in there, and then on the back there's an envelope with a little letter piece of paper there, just for some extra journaling space. And that just folds up like that. There we are. And then in the centre here we've got this from the kit from Dreaded Red. These are from Junk with Steph, but again, mix and match. That's from Dreaded Red. So that's just an opening envelope. One of my words, and that's one of my words as well. And then just a couple of journaling cards here, and another one from the Junk with Steph kit. So there we are. So let's just pop that in there and that over there, and we'll move along. Make sure that you can see. And this is one of my altered images, as is the one on the front. Photos that I've taken at home. Another envelope here, also backed with Dreaded Red, and a bit of collage there. And those 2 journaling cards inside there. Now, I have to make an admission here. Now, this lace and this little bit of envelope insists on folding, and the reason for that is my fault, because I've obviously placed this envelope too close to the edge and there isn't any room for folding. So yeah, unfortunately I have fixed it once, and it's not a problem that's going to be solved unless I actually remove that envelope. So I'm afraid that's got to stay as it is, which is sad, isn't it? So again, Dreaded Red, and then Junk with Steph for that one. and some journaling cards in here with a little bit of lace, a little bit of a plique on there. Bit of collage as well. So that is that bit. And then if we go in here, oops, we go in here, I'm getting attached to everything with my my jewellery. This is the other side of the front, and again just some journaling cards in there, and I've just backed some of them with vintage music paper and a bit of a plique, so there's a bit of room for journaling on that one. And this one I've just made a little flippy pad on the back of it, and again with that one. And then this is an envelope that comes off and is attached with a paper clip, and there's a few journaling cards in there, which yeah, they're just plain journaling cards in there, and they're from the Dreaded Red kit also. They have a plique on there, and that just fastens onto the side there. So we've got raven on there and a raven under there. So we'll just move this along again. And then we've got this bit, which is another pocket with some journaling cards inside, a little booklet that I've made for more space. Oh yeah, that goes in the bottom. Little journal card there, some coffee dyed paper on the back, and then this one, some lace on the back of that, and then another one of those tags from the Gothic kit. There we are, and that goes in there, and then that folds in there. I think I've got myself muddled up now. There we are. There we are. Okay. So there we are. That goes in there and that goes in there. And then that folds over like that. And now we are at the back. And this is one of those freebie images off the internet, off one of those sites where you can get freebie images. And this is the back section. And this is another trifold journal which I've made on a video, so you can pop over and have a look at that. Some cards in there, little booklets in there, and another one in there, just painted, and little stitching done in there, and that fills together, a bit of a plique there, nothing on the back of that one, and this just goes over the top and acts as a closure, little dingly dangly on there. Now I did intend for that to go in this pocket here, and whilst it does make this edge very, very bulky, so I haven't put that in there. I've decided just put some writing paper inside there later on. So that goes with that. Some journaling cards in here, little booklet there without any centre pages, just for writing in, and a bit of plique there, plenty of bling. Then this one is a flip flap, and you can write on that in white ink. Some journaling cards, Edgar Allan Poe there, and there we are, and there we are. So that's those in there, and then that goes in there, and then we're back to the front. So we can tie this ribbon. And yeah, so it's not a Halloween journal, really. It's a Gothic journal, and I have been saying that right from the start. So hopefully somebody out there will like it, and I will put it up for sale in my Etsy shop. And yeah, I hope you've enjoyed watching that, and I hope to see you next time. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.